Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back. So today we're putting in, well, over the course of the next couple of days, we're going to put in Uriah's new motor. If you haven't seen or you haven't figured it out, we're putting in a S&J 4.7 liter stroker. Somebody, I don't know who, come home from baseball practice and had some piston slap. Or at least that's what I'm assuming it was. I haven't seen anything in the old motor to say otherwise. So this upgrade was coming. It just came a whole lot quicker than we expected. As you can kind of see out here, Uriah and friends, because he's had all kinds of help, have painted up some parts to go on it. We bought some upgrades, but we're going to get it done. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got it on the new 4.7 on the stand. We have a plethora of painted parts and bolts and whatnot. So we're going to get busy to start putting this thing together and hopefully get it out of the shop in the next day or so. So let's get busy.
All right. All right, bolts to the timing chain cover are 5 foot-pounds. This is why we take pictures, so we know how to line everything back up. Silver one's cool.
Foot-pound on your harmonic balance. That's it. Oh, here. I don't know what happened.
I was about to say, it should have been there. It should have been nowhere near the 110.
You know what you're doing.
Yes, I do.
But I'm also to blame. Trust but verify. anything. Stuff. Don't come with it. All right, with your good hand, give it a crank. Keep going. All right, let me check it. There we go. Do that one same way. Give her a crank. All right, half. Yep, go half. All right, let me check it. Okay. She's in there, boss. All right.
I did it.
Yep.
I did it on the package.
All right. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of putting a 4.7 stroker from S&J Engines into a 99 Jeep Cherokee. Yesterday, or in the last video, we got most of the motor assembled. We had to wait, it got late on us, and we had to wait on a couple parts to show up from my house, which is an hour away. Today, we're going to work on marrying the motor and transmission and stuffing it in. It'd be great if we could get it all buttoned up and fired, but we'll see where that goes. So I guess we're going to get to work, put yammering, and let you guys see what this looks like.
Oh my goodness.
Math.
Yes.
That's way better than Carmen. I mean, we're still not home free,
No.
but we're a whole lot closer than we were. Yep. And she's on her own weight, boys and girls.
All right, guys, we are putting fluids in, and I think we're getting close. All right, guys, as far as we can tell, we've got everything all hooked up. We're gonna motor it just a little bit just to get the oil pumping and all that through it. So let's.
We're gonna do a little trip. All right, guys, on this windy Oklahoma day, we're gonna try and get our first start. You ready? Yep. Light it up. Guys, so that was putting in a 4.7 stroker in a 99 Jeep Cherokee, or I'm sorry, 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ.
It's alive.
It starts, it runs. We did the break-in. We didn't let you watch that because, well, there's 30-mile-an-hour wind gust outside, and we'd all been deaf if we had done it inside this metal building with no insulation. That being said, the only hiccup of substance we had is if you get the S&J engine, which I can't speak to how great that is yet, we'll have to do a video on that later. Well, the new cylinder head casting that they're offering, on the driver's side near the rear head bolt, there is a bolt hole that is that goes into the water jacket. That is for a aftermarket temperature sensor. It is a 1/8 standard pipe fitting plug. You'll have to buy that yourself.
We found the hard way.
Yeah, we were topping off the fluids, getting ready to start, and water started dumping out of it. We had a big panic moment, thought something was real bad wrong. Turned out it was just a pipe fitting. To fix it, I think it cost me like $3 at O'Reilly's on the high side. Other than that, it was actually a really, I don't want to say easy, but
I feel like it was pretty quick.
Yeah, pretty quick.
It was.
Swap.
I've never changed a motor, but I feel that went really well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, even Casey said that she's changed motors before in some of her older cars that she's had, and she always talks about it being days. But it didn't seem like it was that bad.
No.
We just kept forgetting stuff.
Yeah. It took us, in all actuality, today is Friday. Mm-hmm. And we didn't work on it Wednesday because that was Valentine's Day. We didn't work on it Thursday because you had to work. But we worked on it all day Monday, all day Tuesday,
and today.
And then, let's see, it's 4:21. So 3 hours today, 2.5, 3 hours today.
Yeah.
15 minutes of that was engine break-in. But again, it only took that long because parts got forgot an hour away at my house, so that's a 2-hour round trip. And I lost a couple parts we needed. They're the non-crushed grommets that go in the 4.0 head, or valve cover rather. And Uriah had to go to the junkyard because the only one close enough to us is an hour away that had them. So we had to wait a day on that. And then, like I said, we thought something was wrong with the block, and then we took 2 days off to recover from the heart attacks we all had. Otherwise, Uriah's chomping at the bit to drive it. We're getting ready to make the hour trip home, and as long as it makes it there, I'm pretty sure we're good. I mean, it fired. You guys heard it pretty well first crank. It kicked off, and it ran just fine for 15 minutes at 2,000 RPMs. They said 1,800, so I figured 1,800 to 22, so we split the difference and called it $2,000. But it runs like a sewing machine so far. We did find a few things that we forgot to do or didn't do right, like the headlights.
And the alternator.
Yeah, and the alternator, we forgot to plug it in, so we couldn't figure out why the battery wasn't charging.
Yeah, well, that helps.
Now the whole dash lights up right.
Yeah, and you guys know if you've ever done a project when you're
But-
moments away from being ready to start it or whatever.
You get antsy.
Yeah, you get in a hurry and you forget stuff. It's no big deal. It took us
20 minutes.
maybe 20 minutes to fix it, and that was because we kept taking apart the front part the wrong direction, trying to take shortcuts, and they just cost us more time. And all it ended up being was a ground wire we forgot to plug in. You happy so far?
Of course.
He gets his Jeep back, of course. Of course, of course.
Like I said, I'm happy with it so far. We were supposed to have had a shirt at least to show you, but that didn't come with it on time. There was a mix-up. So we'll have it when we do the update. We'll give you a 90-day update or something, or if something goes wrong, we'll give you an update sooner.
The 500-mile update.
Yeah.
Which will not be in 90 days.
No. We'll say we'll do a 500-mile update, and then we'll do a year or so. Hopefully this fixes it. I'll get my truck back soon, and we can get it out on the trail and see what this 4.7 is all about. But otherwise, I think that's going to do it for us, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.